Got a 2 litre 6-cylinder engine, produces 104 brake horsepower, and it's a very pretty car. It's comfortable enough inside. Once you're in it, getting in it depends on your age, I suppose, and how big you are, but it can be a little bit difficult and a challenge. But on a sunny day, it is one of the nicest things to take around the countryside. Because they're rear wheel drive, is different to the front wheel drive quite significantly. You can actually throw the back around quite easily, and you drive into the bend and let the car drift much more than you would with a front wheel drive. Also, as you can hear, the engine is quite burbly, so anything above 60 it sort of drowns out any conversation you could possibly have. And but it's the wonderful noise of that 6-cylinder engine is worth it. But here we come to a bend here, quite slow.